Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by tuning to standard E and then place a full bar with your index finger across the 4th fret. This gives you the C-sharp root. Once done, shape your middle, ring, and pinky fingers into an A minor form 1 string set higher. This creates the minor triad. Make sure to press evenly so all strings ring. You'll hear the chord as a clear, minor quality. If not, adjust finger angle and pressure until the tones are clean and balanced. Now refine placement. Put your thumb centered behind the neck to gain leverage without overgripping. This reduces fatigue. Once positioned, rotate your knuckles slightly so fingertips press down, avoiding accidental muting of adjacent strings. Strum slowly from the 6th to the 1st string, listen for any dead notes, and pluck individually to locate problems. As you adjust, maintain even pressure across the bar. This is why the index finger's pivot point matters. Small shifts change which strings ring clearly. To finish, practice switching between C-sharp minor and nearby chords like G, and F-sharp minor in slow 4-beat loops at 60 to 80 BPM. This builds muscle memory. Once comfortable, add an arpeggio pattern, low E, D, G, B, high E, to hear chord tones and improve clarity. If strings buzz, first lift and slightly reposition the index finger toward the fret wire, then increase pressure gradually. If problems persist, check action or try a lighter gauge string set for easier fretting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.